Wondering about your current credit situation? Interested in giving it a boost? Let's talk about why this is so crucial. Good credit isn't just a fancy term. It's a powerful tool that opens doors to a variety of opportunities. It's like a golden key that can unlock favorable loan approvals, attractive interest rates, and even opens up employment prospects. But what if your credit score isn't quite gleaming? Many face the struggle of low scores, sky-high interest rates, and reports that just don't seem right. These issues can feel like an invisible barrier, keeping you from reaching your financial goals. And you're not the only one facing these hurdles. You're part of a larger crowd, all looking for ways to climb over this credit wall. But guess what? We might just have found a ladder tall enough to get us over. Technology could be the solution we all need. You're not alone in this. Many people are seeking ways to improve their credit, and technology could be the solution we all need. Have you ever considered that artificial intelligence, or AI, could be your ally in building and repairing credit? Now you might be asking, what exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, it's the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans. It's a technology that's making waves in various industries, from healthcare to transportation, and yes, even finance. AI is transforming the way we handle money and manage our finances. It's bringing about a revolution in credit building and repair, a task that was traditionally laborious and complex. But with AI, it's becoming more accessible and efficient. Here's the exciting part. AI can analyze your credit reports, pinpointing errors and inconsistencies that might be pulling down your score. These could be anything from incorrect late payments to identity theft issues that you weren't even aware of. Once these errors are identified, AI can help dispute them, saving you the time and stress of navigating the process yourself. But that's not all. AI doesn't just identify problems, it also suggests solutions. It can offer personalized recommendations on how to improve your credit score based on your unique financial situation and behavior. These could range from advice on paying off certain debts to suggestions on how to better manage your credit cards. And it gets even better. AI can predict future credit behavior. It uses complex algorithms to analyze past patterns and predict how your actions today can influence your credit score tomorrow. This means you can make informed decisions and avoid pitfalls before they happen. AI doesn't just predict the weather or recommend songs anymore. It's revolutionizing the way we handle our finances. With its ability to analyze, recommend, and predict, AI is a powerful tool in your credit building and repair journey. It's like having your very own financial advisor available 24/7. So if you're looking to build or repair your credit, why not consider teaming up with AI? It's here to help, and it's transforming the way we approach credit and finance. AI doesn't just predict the weather or recommend songs anymore. It's revolutionizing the way we handle our finances. Curious about how AI can help you repair your credit? Here's a simple guide to get you started. Step 1. Find an AI-powered credit repair service. There's no shortage of these on the market today, so you'll want to do a bit of research to find one that suits your needs. Look for a service that's reputable, user-friendly, and transparent about its fees. Some services may even offer a free trial period, which can be a great way to test the waters. Step 2. Input your credit information. This will typically involve providing your full name, address, and social security number. The service may also ask for a copy of your credit report, which you can obtain for free once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Remember, any legitimate service will have secure measures in place to protect your sensitive information. Step 3. Let the AI analyze your credit report. This is where the magic happens. The AI will comb through your report, identifying any errors, discrepancies, or negative items that could be hurting your credit score. It will then create a personalized credit repair plan based on its findings. Step 4. Follow the AI's recommendations to improve your credit. These could include disputing errors on your report, paying down high-interest debts, or establishing a regular payment history. The AI might also suggest strategies for building new credit, like opening a secured credit card or taking out a small installment loan. And there you have it, a simple 4-step process to using AI for credit repair. But remember, repairing your credit is not an overnight process. It takes time and consistent effort. Stick with it, be patient, and before you know it, you'll start to see improvements in your credit score. With AI, credit repair doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be as easy as following a few simple steps. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, using artificial intelligence for credit repair has numerous benefits that can significantly enhance your financial health. Firstly, AI is efficient. It can analyze your credit history, identify issues, and suggest fixes far quicker than any human could. No more slogging through paperwork or waiting for appointments. Your credit repair happens in real time, right at your fingertips. Secondly, AI is accurate. It minimizes human error, ensuring that your credit repair process is precise, thorough, and effective. AI doesn't miss a thing, and that's a huge win for your credit score. Finally, AI is proactive. It doesn't just fix your credit, it helps you maintain it. By predicting your credit behavior, AI can provide insights and recommendations to prevent future credit issues. In the world of credit repair, AI is not just a trend, it's a game changer. In this era of technology, improving your credit situation has never been easier. We've journeyed through the landscape of your current credit state, understanding its importance in our lives. We've introduced the concept of artificial intelligence playing a pivotal role in credit building and repair, a concept that's not just a possibility, but a reality in 2024. We walk through the steps on how to leverage AI to repair credit. It's not about replacing human judgment, but enhancing it, making the process more efficient, accurate, and personalized. We've also highlighted the benefits of AI. It's not just about credit scores, but also about financial freedom, control, and empowerment. So, as we wrap up, let's remember the key takeaways from today. Good credit is essential. AI is a powerful tool in achieving that. And the steps to use AI for credit repair are within everyone's reach. Remember, the future of credit repair is in your hands, and with AI, that future is bright.